This algorithmic trading bot has been making me $1,000 per week on complete autopilot, and I'm going to show you exactly how in this video. What's up? My name is Nico Moreno. If you are brand new, I'm excited to have you here checking out the channel, and if you're a returning viewer, I love you just the same. So let's go ahead and let's just get started. So I'm going to show you what my algorithmic trading bot is. This is essentially a Forex bot. So if you're familiar with Forex, this is an automated, essentially an automated trading robot that executes trades automatically and generates profits. Almost every single day it will close trades that generate profits. And yeah, so I'm going to show you in this video like some examples of some of the live trades. I'm going to show you some results and statistics that the bot has been generating for me. And yeah, I'm just going to like walk you through a couple of the basic concepts so that you can get an idea if this is something that you might be interested in to get working for you. And I'm also going to show you if you do want to also use the same bot that I'm using, I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right in. But actually, okay, before we do that, I have to admit I do have an important announcement I'm excited about. So I just created this Facebook group literally today, like an hour ago. There's nobody else in it. You can see I have one member, which is me. I haven't posted the link anywhere yet at all. So if you want to join this free Facebook group where you can just network with me, network with other people who are interested in this topic, of investing and potentially using algorithms for their investments, then just come join. It'll be a good time. I'll probably do like Q&A live stream type things inside this group, as well as just like, general information, updates, post results of the bot and how it's going. And yeah, so again, if you want to join that, link is in the description. It is completely free. I will need to approve you though, or I might have my like assistant be the one to approve people, but basically I am going to make sure that only people who actually look like real profiles get in. I don't want it to be like a spam fest. So you may have to wait a few hours or up to a day to get approved. But rest assured, if you look like a legitimate person and your profile looks legit, then you'll get in. I just want to keep it like spam free. So that is enough on the topic. And yeah, by the way, real quick before we get into it, I've been getting a ton of traction and a lot of people like signing up and wanting to join to use this passive trading Forex bot. So if that sounds like you, again, I encourage you to check out this whole video and see if it's right for you. I also have a few other videos. That's where people have been applying to join. But yeah, if you like this video and you like what you see and you want to use this bot too, you can actually do that. So I'm allowing people to join. As a beta member, this is going to be the lowest price that it is ever offered at. So yes, there is a fee to actually sign up because I'm providing a valuable service to people, and usually that just people pay for that. So it is I think it's a very, very fair price for what you get. But yeah, again, there's no pressure. Just check out the link down below, the Google form if you do want to apply. And it'll just take you through some questions. You just submit it, and then if you get approved, I will tell you what the next steps are, how to pay the fee, and then how to get started. So yeah, if you're interested, link is going to be down below. So let's just dive right into the video. So this has been pretty cool, guys. So I know I posted a video about a week ago at this point, and I was saying in general I had been making about 2,000 to 3,000, or excuse me, not 2,000 to 3,000 a day. That would be amazing. 200 to 300 a day with the bot. And yeah, so about at this point, it's been like roughly the same. Some days have actually been really, really good. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. So before we get into this, like the details, I have like multiple accounts. I'll explain why I have multiple accounts. But you're going to see me like switching between a few things. It's not all just in one place. So, the numbers are not necessarily going to be necessarily easy to add up. But I'm going to do my best to make it super clear for you guys and not try to make it like, I'm just going to make it as straightforward as I possibly can. So basically, let's actually show the bot first, and then I'll show you kind of like the results. So here is one of my trading terminals, essentially. Let me make myself a little bit smaller here. And yeah, so this is one of the trading terminals right here. I have the top part cut off because it has a little bit of like sensitive information. And where do I put myself? Here we go. I'll just go over here. So yeah, I have the top part of the screen cut off because it has, like some sensitive data up there. But other than that, basically this is the trading bot. So you can see right here, I'm going to show you essentially, so this trading bot trades like really only one symbol. So it is the Great British Pound and USD currency pair. Okay, so you'll see like all of the trades are GBP USD, which essentially means, yeah, it's just trading that one currency pair. This is a Forex bot, so if you're not familiar with Forex, it's essentially, it's currency trading. So unlike cryptocurrency, where, you know, it's all these cryptocurrency like coins and tokens and meme coins and whatnot, Forex trading is different because it really utilizes like the major currencies of different major countries around the world, right? So Great British Pound is GBP, USD is obviously dollar. You know, you can trade other things like indices and like gold, for example, but by and large, Forex revolves around trading the major currencies of the world: New Zealand dollar, euro, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, yen, things like that. But you'll see, yeah, this bot is specifically just trading Great British Pound USD only. So if you zoom in, it's a little bit hard to see. I tried to zoom in as much as I possibly could. But you can see right here, these are actually, I'll explain what we're looking at on the screen. So this is like the price right here. This really thick green line is like the price movement, basically. I mean, if you look at any trading graph of literally anything, you know, there's obviously like, there's a line and it's kind of like going up and down usually. Right, so that's what this is for GBP USD, but you'll see there's like lines and arrows and stuff across that are going like kind of like flat, right? So I'll explain what those are. Basically, you'll see right here, I don't know if you can read that, it says sell 0.4 at 1.26815. So basically, this means that this dotted green line, that is where a sell order was opened by the bot. So you can see right here, it is this little red arrow right here indicates that an order was opened right there, okay? So that's what that means. You can see earlier in the day, or let's see, yeah, 25th of June. So earlier today, the bot, yeah, you can see it says auto trade. The bot opened a order right here at this arrow, but it was already closed right here at this blue arrow. So that's actually a trade that was already closed and profit. And another arrow right here, which means that this trade is open. And yeah, you can actually see as well, you see if it says TP right here, that means like that's going to be where the take profit is. So some bots actually show the take profit, some of them don't. This one that I'm viewing on my screen does. Another one that I'm using doesn't show the take profit on the screen for whatever reason. It's just that's how it was built. But yeah, so again, not to overwhelm with the details, but essentially, like you can see where the arrows are placed, that indicates that a trade has either been opened or closed. Okay? And then, yeah, right here, you know, you can kind of see all the details of each trade. You can see the time that it was. Actually, I don't know if this is when it was. No, this is when it was closed. Yeah. Because there's a time when it was open and also a time when it was closed. But I'm looking in the history tab, so this should probably be when it's closed. And then, yeah, you'll see the symbol that you're trading, and then if it was a sell order or a buy order, and then volume, which is lot size. So if you're brand new at trading or Forex, you may not know what that means. That's okay. You don't really need to know because the bot honestly does absolutely everything for you. And then you'll see right here, like you can see all the profit trades. So usually, you know, it depends on the day. But yeah, so this is kind of when it starts. Those were like balance transfers. Yeah, you can see like, you know, trades that closed. All of the blue ones are profit. And then the red ones, you'll see a loss here and there, but nothing too, you know, nothing too catastrophic really. So you'll see right here, profit has been over $1,000. Oh, so this is the actual profit right here. You see the 1,020. That's because of that loss right there. That ate into the profit a little bit. But yeah, so this is kind of how that all works. Again, this is the history tab. It'll show you like all of the closed trades and also like what percentage of your account, or yeah, it'll show you like the percent change as well. And yeah, so if we actually hop on over to the statistics page, this is a tool called MyForexFunds, which is It's like basically an analytics tool that will allow you to see in pretty granular detail, like the details of your account and like what's going on. And this is actually a third-party tool. It's a free tool. Really recommend it. But basically, it lets you see all these cool graphs and statistics about your account. Let me make myself small again. So basically, this is the account that we were just looking at right here. You can see this started on June 17th, and right now it's June 25th. So I'm not very good at mental math, but I'm assuming that that is about 7 days. So yeah, and you can see right there the gain for 7 days is 5%. That is pretty freaking good. I'm happy with that. And then you'll see, yeah, profit has been $1,000, $1,020 in the past 7 days. Totally hands-free. I have not done any of the trades myself. The robot is doing it all on its own. All right. So I know this was probably a clickbait title, I'm assuming, but clickbait, this was not actually clickbait because clickbait is something that doesn't deliver on the promise in the title, and this actually delivers. So I stand by it. But yeah, let's take a little closer look at the statistics here. So for this one, you can see, I guess it hasn't closed any trades today. That's something to be aware of too. Not every single day is it going to close trades, but sometimes it's going to have like bigger days than others. Like last week, I think I had a day where it closed like $400 worth. And then, as you can see, today it's not closed any. So that's okay. It will go up and down a little bit, but overall, since I started it 7 days ago, it has profited $1,000. So that's not too shabby. Yeah, and again, right here, you can go see, and you can see like more statistics for those of you who are kind of like nerdy like me and you want to see all the granular details. You can actually see very, very granular details. So this is for people maybe once you get a little bit more advanced. You can actually see, well, all the details like the duration of the trade. It'll show you exactly how long it was open. So these are mostly scalps, but some of them, yeah, some are open 3 days or 2 days. A couple are open, like 4 minutes. And then it also will show you like really, really super granular details, like how long was it in profit, how long was it like, drawdown, the risk-reward ratio, all of that good stuff. So you can get really detailed if you want to, but the beauty of this is you don't have to get detailed at all if you don't want to. You can just utilize this as a passive investment vehicle. You don't have to know anything about trading. I definitely encourage you to learn a little bit about it. Learn about Forex, and if you decide to utilize the bot that I'm leveraging, and if you become a beta member, then I will pass on like education and stuff like that. I think it is really important to educate yourself about this, but you don't have to do anything yourself. It is pretty, it's a pretty passive investment vehicle. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you. I just really wanted to show you, another update of how this one account in particular. And again, I actually have several accounts. So this one has done, $1,000 in the past week. I have another one right here. It's done $700 in the past week. That's closed $164 today. So, and this one I funded, let's see here. I think it started on June 20th. Is when it started, which is 5 days ago. So this one has done, $700 in 5 days. So we're getting close to $2,000 in the past week from these two accounts combined. So that's pretty freaking cool. Like, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about this. I hope you are excited about this too. Again, if you would like to apply to utilize this bot, you can absolutely do that. Again, this is going to be the lowest price it's ever going to be. Highly encourage you, if you're interested, to apply. You can learn more if your application is approved. And then we already have some people getting started, and they're using the bot. So they're getting results, growing their accounts, and yeah, this compounds, by the way. So if you don't understand how compounding works, you can watch my previous video where I explain exactly how compound interest works. And this is a vehicle that actually does leverage essentially daily compounding. So it can be extremely powerful over a long period of time. And I think this is pretty cool even over a short period of time. $160 for doing nothing. So anyways, love you guys. Come join the free Facebook group if you want to. And yeah, Check out my other videos, and I will see you guys next time.